In this video, I'll be going over how much power we used for a 3-day camping trip where we used AC during the day, cooked 4 meals, and powered lights and other accessories. We charged the R1S to 95% at home before going on a camping trip. It was a hot day, so AC was blasting it low for the whole drive. We brought our portable fridge again, so we had the outlets turned on. We were also driving with a cargo box, which affects range as well. The drive was 80 miles each way with extra 10 miles for making a couple of stops for food and visiting the lake. We gained over 5,000 feet in elevation and mostly drove on the freeway. It looks like the trip planner is estimating 199 miles left over when we arrive. That's 140 miles of range lost for an 80-mile drive gaining 5,000 feet in elevation. We'll compare this to the real-life numbers later in the video. We used Driver Plus set at 70 miles per hour and low suspension mode for the whole trip. Miles per kilowatt hour really took a hit on the mountain, but that's expected. I've recently started using low suspension mode on longer trips, and I think that really helps a lot. We arrived with 213 miles left. That's around 15 miles more than the trip planner estimated. Keep in mind we were blasting AC, powering a fridge, and carrying a rooftop cargo box. After we arrived, we took a long nap with the AC on and got ready for dinner. We really try to use as much power as we can, like cooking meals, using AC during the day, powering lights, and pumping up our paddle boards. And here's the result. 166 miles left on day 3, which comes out to about 45 miles used for everything camping related. We turned on the outlets once again for the drive back to cool the leftover food. Just look at that beautiful graph as we drive down the mountains. I seem to have lost the footage for the final numbers, but here's a picture I took with the estimate showing 105 miles left over. In reality, we got home with around 150 miles left, which means the trip home only used around 60 miles of range. This was the first time I tried to go more in-depth with documenting range and power consumption while camping. Please leave a comment if you would like to see more content like this. And if this information helped you plan your trips, please consider liking the video and subscribing.